This 2025 Gulf Stream BTouring Cruiser 5255B is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Gulf Stream is 28 feet 5 inches in length and features a smoke interior, sleeps 2, air conditioning, oven, leveling jacks, external shower, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, awning, TV antenna, skylight, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath. This 2025 Gulf Stream BTouring Cruiser 5255B is built on a Ford 450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.